If I could summarize my first semester as a college student in one word, it would be transition. Hi, I'm Aina Liha L. Lalong Isip, first year BS Nursing student. To be honest, hindi siya ganun kadali. I took a lot of time adjusting and until now, I still am. Galing ako sa high school na ibang environment at ngayon college na, ibang mundo na talaga. Bagong subjects, bagong mga tao, bagong pressure. May mga araw na parang hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. Noon, mahaba pa ang oras ko para magpahinga, para mag-chill. Ngayon, nababawasan na, hindi na pwedeng palagi akong nag-chill, lalo na at scholar ako. May dagdag na pressure to do well. Pero kahit ganon, just because I find it hard and I'm not used to it yet, hindi ibig sabihin ay susuko na ako. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun ay kailangan kong maging mas matyaga, mas intentional, at mas handa sa bawat araw. And if I were to describe my overall experience, it feels like diving into an ocean. At first, may excitement. Yung thrill of starting fresh, pero nandyan din yung takot kasi hindi ko alam kung gaano kalalim yung aabutin ko. Minsan, parang lumulubog ako sa requirement. Sabay-sabay na exams, projects, recitations. Dagdag pa yung mga gastusin. Parang bawat alon may kasamang bigat. Pero kahit ganon, the ocean is never just about its depths. Nandyan din yung araw, yung liwanag na dumadaan kahit malalim na. At sa journey kong ito, I have found those rays of light. Like those moments na kahit stressed kami sa group works, naging way yon para mas makilala ko ang mga klase ko. May mga oras na sabay-sabay kami kinakabahan sa quiz pero in the end, nagtutulungan din kami. Yun yung mga sun moments during my first semester. Yung mga maliliit pero makabulong bagay na nagpapagaan sa alon. At syempre meron din yung mga substantial na kwentuhan with my friend. Yung silence habang nag-review ang lahat for a quiz or yung pakiramdam na kahit hindi pa kami super close, may unti-unti nang binubuong bond. Siguro ang biggest challenge sa akin ay ang pagsabayin lahat. Time management has always been a challenge, pero mas lalo na ngayon. Sa academics, I found myself struggling, lalo na sa mga major subject. Sa social aspect, mahirap mag-adjust sa bagong environment kasi ulit, back to zero. At sa personal side, may mga gabi na pagod na ako pero kailangan ko pa rin bumangon kinabukasan para pumasok. At sa personal side, may mga gabi na pagod na ako pero kailangan pa rin bumangon kinabukasan para pumasok. May times na na-question ko ang sarili ko. Kaya ko pa ba? Ito ba talaga ang gusto ko? Pero dun ko natutunan ang ilan sa pinakamahalagang bagay. That it is okay to not have everything figured out yet and that growth is not supposed to be easy. It demands discomfort. That it is okay to not have everything figured out yet and that growth is not supposed to be easy. It demands discomfort. It asks for patience. At minsan, kailangan nating bumagsak muna para matutong bumangon. And that's the beauty of it. First, some in college taught me lessons about myself. And that's the beauty of it. First, ano ba yan, King? And that's the beauty of it. First, some in college taught me lessons about myself, not only those from books and lectures. Natutunan kong mas tanggapin pa na hindi nga lahat ng bagay ay kaya kong gawin mag-isa. That sometimes I really do need help. I also learned that it's okay to start small. Hindi kailangang sabay agad sa lahat. Hindi kailangang marami agad ang kaibigan. Ang mahalaga, natututo at kahit papaano, nag-enjoy sa journey. At kahit mabagal, basta consistent. So if there's one message I'd give my future self or the freshmen who will come after me, it's this. Do not be afraid of slow beginnings. It is okay if you're not the fastest. It's okay if you're still finding your rhythm. What matters is that you keep moving forward, kahit maliliit na hakbang. Growth is what matters. It's okay if you're not the fastest. It's okay if you're still finding your rhythm. What matters is that you keep moving forward. Kahit maliliit na hakbang, growth is still growth. And most importantly, trust the process and trust yourself. The ocean may be vast and deep, but remember, may araw pa rin sa ibabaw. You are stronger than you think, and you are stronger than you think, and you are braver than you believe.